The situation that the Provincial Disaster Risk and Management Office, the province of Zamboanga del Norte will be conducting aerial inspection along flooded areas of Zamboanga del Norte to assess the effects of the shear line survey. And for our mission, sir, is to safely and successfully conduct the aerial survey on the affected areas of Zamboanga del Norte. And for our crew lineup, sir, ongoing kasap na ngayon, sir. Yung ano, sir, kasi pag-lanos namin, sir, yung kasap na, sir. We'll be utilizing Bell 412 type of aircraft, sir. Which is number 66901, sir. And medyo lalo sa sir, which is Sir Captain Florida Elizabeth. And yung Air Force, sir, or the same time Pagana, sir. For our loading plan, sir, yung actually 4-man seat yung sa ano, sir, medyo masikip na kasi, so nilagyan na namin tatlo, sir. Then sa 5-man seat, sir, may tatlo din, sir, and yung isa, sir. At pwede natin paupuin